Welcome to DWBIADDA channel. Please subscribe for latest training videos.
Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn how to create measure in DAX to calculate YTD for chosen month. First of all, it is very important for us to have a date table for this to work. So I have written a DAX to calculate and create a date table. Let me show you how it looks. So this is essentially a date and all the attributes have been pulled out from the date itself. It's year, quarter, month number, month name, so on and so forth. And next up, we need to have a relationship created between the date in the date table and the date in the transactions table. Let me show you. So I go over to manage relationships. I've already created a relationship. So as you can see, so this is my transactions data, which is finance data. The date over here and date in the date table, there is a many to one relationship. So after ensuring that, now let's jump over and create a measure in DAX to calculate sales year till date. So right click on the query, click on new measure. Now the function that we are going to use over here is total YTD. So let's call it a measure. So since we are calculating sales year till date, so I'll name the measure sales YTD. I'll type in total YTD. Over here it accepts an expression, in this case which is sales. I already have a measure by the name of sales, so simply type in sales. So this measure is basically nothing but sum of sales. Next we need to supply dates to this function for this to work. So need to input dates, and since we want the dates to be dynamic and change with respect to the slicer or the filter that we apply, so I'll simply type in dates YTD. So this is the function that is going to allow us to do that. Next up, I simply type in date and select date, and show that the date that we are selecting here has to be date from the date table, not from the transactions data. Date, parenthesis close, parenthesis close. That's it. So we have a measure created. Now let's test it over. So let's check year till date sales for different products. So I type in product, sales YTD. Now there is no value in this table because we haven't selected any year over here. So we'll simply select a year and tell the function that, yeah, I want year till date sales for this year. So we'll select a year. Let's add it as a slicer, as a list. So let's select 2019. So this is giving me YTD sales for 2019. Now let's do this or calculate the YTD sales for the chosen month. So I'll type in month name. I pull out month name from the date table, add it as a slicer. Now let's check YTD sales for the month of January. So it was this, for February it was this, for March it was this, June, July, and so on and so forth. So as you can see, this is very much working and it is giving us the YTD sales for the month that we are choosing. Thanks for watching this video.